Hello, and welcome home. You are listening to the English Corner podcast. My name is Rachel, and I am so happy you decided to give yourself this time today. I want to start with a question. How do you feel right now? Do you feel a little bit of pressure in your chest when you think about speaking English? Do you feel like you have to be perfect? I want you to know something very important. You don't have to be perfect here. This is your safe space. In this corner of the internet, we don't care about grammar tests. We don't care about correcting you. We only care about your confidence. Many people think they are bad at English, but the truth is, they are just anxious. Their brain is trying to protect them from making a mistake. But today, we are going to tell that anxious brain to relax. We are going to use the shadowing method. Think of it like a dance. I will lead and you will follow. You don't need to lead. You don't need to know the way. You just follow the sound of my voice. I will say a sentence slowly. Then I will say it again very slowly. After that, there will be a silence. When I pause, you speak. You copy my rhythm. You copy my emotion. Even if you don't understand every word, just copy the sound. This is how babies learn. They don't study books. They listen and they repeat. And that is exactly what we are going to do today with a daily routine. We are going to build your fluency one small sentence at a time. Take another breath. Let's start our day together. The morning is the most important part of the day. It is quiet, it is slow. Just like our English practice today, imagine you are in your bed. It is warm. The sun is just starting to wake up. Listen to this first sentence slowly. I open my eyes and see the soft light of the sun. I open my eyes and see the soft light of the sun. Now, your turn. Speak out loud. That feels good, doesn't it? To just be still. Let's try the next one. I reach for my phone to see what time it is. I reach for my phone to see what time it is. Now you. Repeat after me. It is still early, so I stay in bed for a few more minutes. It is still early, so I stay in bed for a few more minutes. Your turn. Copy my voice. I check the weather for today on my phone. I check the weather for today on my phone. Now you. I get out of bed and make my bed immediately. I get out of bed and make my bed immediately. Repeat after me. In English, we often rush, but here we take our time. Let's move to the next part. You are walking to the kitchen. The floor is a little bit cold. You are thinking about your first drink of the day. I walk to the kitchen and turn on the light. I walk to the kitchen and turn on the light. Now you. I fill the kettle with fresh cold water. I fill the kettle with fresh cold water. Repeat it clearly. I love the sound of the water starting to boil. I love the sound of the water starting to boil. Your turn. Feel the rhythm. I pour the hot water into my favorite mug. I pour the hot water into my favorite mug. Your turn. Speak with confidence. The steam feels warm on my sleepy face. The steam feels warm on my sleepy face. Repeat after me. I have breakfast to give me energy for the day. I have breakfast to give me energy for the day. Now you. After my coffee, I go to the bathroom to get ready. It is time to wake up my body. I take a warm shower and feel the water on my skin. I take a warm shower and feel the water on my skin. Now you. I brush my teeth and feel fresh and clean. I brush my teeth and feel fresh and clean. Repeat it. I brush my hair and look in the mirror. I brush my hair and look in the mirror. Now you. I put on my makeup and get ready to go out. I put on my makeup and get ready to go out. Your turn. I get dressed and choose my favorite clothes. I get dressed and choose my favorite clothes. Repeat after me. Now it is time to leave. I leave the house and lock the door behind me. I leave the house and lock the door behind me. Now you. I commute to work and listen to music. I commute to work and listen to music. Your turn. I arrive at work and say hello to my colleagues. I arrive at work and say hello to my colleagues. Now you. I start work and check my emails first. I start work and check my emails first. Repeat it clearly. I attend a meeting and take some notes. I attend a meeting and take some notes. Now you. I make a phone call to talk to a client. I make a phone call to talk to a client. Your turn. Now let's move into the middle of the day. You are busy, but you are still calm. I sit at my desk and focus on my work. I sit at my desk and focus on my work. Now you. I take a short break to rest my eyes. I take a short break to rest my eyes. Your turn. I have a snack when I feel a little hungry. I have a snack when I feel a little hungry. Repeat it. I have lunch and eat out with a friend. I have lunch and eat out with a friend. Now you. I order a coffee after my meal. I order a coffee after my meal. Your turn. I answer the phone and help a customer. I answer the phone and help a customer. Now you. I drink plenty of water throughout the afternoon. I drink plenty of water throughout the afternoon. Now you. The day is moving along perfectly. You are coming home now. I finish work and leave the office. I finish work and leave the office. Now you. I walk outside and feel the cool evening air. I walk outside and feel the cool evening air. Repeat after me. I go grocery shopping to buy some food. I go grocery shopping to buy some food. Now you. I buy some fresh bread for dinner. I buy some fresh bread for dinner. Your turn. I pick up the kids from school. I pick up the kids from school. Now you. I arrive home and take off my heavy shoes. Your turn. I feed the cat and walk the dog in the park. I feed the cat and walk the dog in the park. Now you. I water the plants in my living room. I water the plants in my living room. Repeat after me. I prepare a simple and delicious dinner. I prepare a simple and delicious dinner. Now you. I set the table with plates and glasses. I set the table with plates and glasses. Your turn. I have dinner and clear the table. I have dinner and clear the table. Now you. I do the dishes and load the dishwasher. I do the dishes and load the dishwasher. Repeat it. I take out the trash and clean the house. I take out the trash and clean the house. Now you. I do the laundry and iron the clothes. I do the laundry and iron the clothes. Your turn. Now I like to move my body. It is time to go to the gym. I put on my gym clothes and sneakers. I put on my gym clothes and sneakers. Now you. I walk to the gym to exercise and work out. I walk to the gym to exercise and work out. Repeat it. I feel tired but very happy after my workout. I feel tired but very happy after my workout. Now you. After my workout, I take a quick shower to feel clean again. I take a quick shower to feel clean again. Now you. Now it is time to relax on the sofa. I listen to music and watch TV for a while. I listen to music and watch TV for a while. Now you. I watch a movie or read a book. I watch a movie or read a book. Your turn. I surf the internet and call a friend. I surf the internet and call a friend. Now you. I go for a walk to enjoy the night air. I go for a walk to enjoy the night air. Repeat after me. I study English and practice speaking out loud. I study English and practice speaking out loud. Now you. I meditate to relax my mind before bed. I meditate to relax my mind before bed. Your turn. Finally, the stars are out. It is time to prepare for sleep. I brush my teeth and wash my face with warm water. I brush my teeth and wash my face with warm water. Your turn. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I put on my comfortable pajamas. Repeat after me. I sit at my desk and open my daily journal. I sit at my desk and open my daily journal. Now you. I write down 3 things that I am thankful for. I write down 3 things that I am thankful for. Repeat after me. Today was a productive and calm day. Today was a productive and calm day. Your turn. Speak with energy. I set the alarm and turn off the lights. I set the alarm and turn off the lights. Now you. I get into bed and fall asleep quickly. I get into bed and fall asleep quickly. Now you. I close my eyes and feel ready to dream. I close my eyes and feel ready to dream. Now you. You have just finished your daily routine in English. How do you feel? I hope you feel proud. I want to leave you with a thought. Fluency is not about knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency is about freedom. It is the freedom to say what you feel without fear. And today, you took a big step toward that freedom. People will tell you that you need to study for hours. They will tell you that you need to be perfect before you speak. They are wrong. You are already a speaker of English. Every time you shadowed my voice today, you claimed your place in this language. Don't let your language ego tell you that you are not good enough. You are learning. You are growing. And I am so honored to be your companion on this journey. Please come back to the English Corner podcast tomorrow and in the following days. Repetition is the secret to fluency. You must hear these sounds many times for your brain to truly change. Do not just listen once. Listen twice. Listen 3 times. Make this your daily ritual. I will be here, waiting for you every single day. Let's make this a habit together. Returning every day is the only way to reach your goal. Small steps lead to big changes. If you enjoyed this calm session, please subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me, what is one thing you do every single morning? I read every comment and I can't wait to hear from you. Have a beautiful, calm, and confident day. I will see you in our next session. Goodbye for now.